without rice, and this is the honey garlic chicken puff. So let us try this. Hey, lamok, shit. Oh my god, oh my god, it is so fucking good. Instead of rice, I had it replaced with, or just salad alone. Heaven. Oh my god. Kinamot ko. Amazing. Ever have you noticed that I'm getting fat? I love to eat. Look at the salad. So good. Let's try the chicken pops. Oh my god, this is so good. I can finish all. It's like pwede kang maka-invite og lain to eat. Oh my god, it's heaven. This is my second time ordering at Mikatsu. They're so good. Oh my god, I just love, especially the salad. I'm also watching right now that Battle for Bronze Men's Volleyball, Italy versus USA. They're all so very good. Very good. De Falco is very guapo. Oh my god, this is the best. My sister is not here. I wanted to share this to her, but she's not around. I think she's enjoying the opening fiesta celebration in Baez, together with my cousin. This is my first vlog. Wow. Heaven. Perfect. 10 out of 10. I'm alone right now, since alone but not lonely. My mama is working in Boulevard Tinhay. My brother is not at home. I don't know where he is. Supposedly, dapat siya lang nadali because he has no work. But yeah, I get it. Carrots, repolyo, cabbage, and the onion, and the I don't know what is this, mayo or what, but I do really love the everything complements all together, and it's so good. Hey. The chicken, the honey garlic chicken pops, 8 pieces, 90 pesos. And we have the tonkatsu, which is 105. Supposedly that's your rice, but I have it replaced with a lot of kaning salad na lang, because I love really the salad.
still standing tall. What a brilliant performance in defense by the Italians.
Oh my God.
Romano will go there. Oh, brilliant play. And he manages to get back on.
It's really, really good.
There once more. And then off the elbow. TJ
They are from Lauton daw.
8 points.
So,
Brilliant defense by Romano, but in the end, the USA had to take
they have it delivered sa Ilaw, which is like delivery fee, 15 pesos. Once you order, the waiting time would be 25 to 30 minutes. Yeah. So if gugutom na din mo, pag ayaw, you wanted or you're craving for this,
somehow gets the ball back. Chance again. Ginetti.
better
Gelato, brilliant. Just take it calmly and simply. No panic. This is just set to.
chop them ahead of time. Iring asong kabal.
Just over 2 meters tall. April, just
Ay, malak mas taas.
Mickey Leto, he's 2'11", so he has about 10 centimeters on both of them, which is
Hala, busog na ko pero napakoy mga 3 slices of tonkatsu.
pretty much always good.
Where are you going? Ang iring kapaduol na mga yung bahin. Ang butog ko sa salad. Kaya.
Well, who's going to take that one? The USA don't care because the key one point was no going back.
The simplest ones are just the best. Ironically, it's very difficult to cover that middle part of the
I will upload this on my YouTube channel. Wow.
Yes, you kind of go where it's taken, but sometimes it's not really in their zone. Just tip it to the pot is all she needs.
A day in the life. Sorry.
No problem because they will now be on the attackers.
What's that?
Gelato prepares to serve and they can get the serve.
Jeremy keeps chatting me
See, it's a pass
that I am over.
for a point in the
Sorry.
first by 2.
Darian, I'm vlogging.
Try. Efficiency's way off the net.
Shit.
And that's a wonderful block. Job done by the boys in blue.
The sauce is very, very good.
Ace the way they want it, really enough to get them tied up in this match. Lovely
I think I will let my sister
right and
taste this.
Malcolm's one of the big swingers for the USA.
She's not at home, so better luck next time. We have money. Because it's payday, so I need to eat the very best food in town.
By Abraham. How
Thank you. Make katsu.
with the USA looking to go for it. Now they suddenly find themselves trading.
The best.
Show you how these guys hit perfection so often with that attack through. But that just shows you how easy it is for that to be
Last bite 4.
April, one of the best middles in the world.
There are 8 chicken pops for I just finished I will just finish 3. I'll have this save or I'll just give this to my sister or maybe brother because they love eating as well. Especially if it's gonna be their first time eating eating this kind of food. So yeah, here we go. And yeah, I wanted my mom as well to taste this one, but she's been eating a lot of oh my god, look at the sauce. Very, 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 very humok. I don't know what's the English. May kayo. Promise. You won't regret it. 105.90. Enough. I have this. There are 5 chicken pops left, so I'll give this to my sister. And then I have 2 slices of tonkatsu left here. I'll have this saved for them. So if kasi makunas balay, then they can eat this. And yeah, thank you for watching. Good night. Hi.